Nah, you go get it and pick it up.
You'd be buggered now.
Quick. Put it on top. Go. It's nearly there, look. Quick. Finish it off. Put it on top. Put it on top. Just go real hard. Go. Pick it up. You can do it. You can do it, Mum. It fell back off again. You have to start again. Go on, pick it up. Come here, take your jumper off. One more go, real hard. Do it again, pick it up. Come here, take your jumper off. It's too hot. Put your arms out. Is that better? There we go, now you can do it. Go real hard, go. Go real hard. Use your muscles. There. Use your muscles, go real hard. No, the other way. Yeah, that way. Ow! Not hurt. Go. You can do it, you already picked it up before. We'll pick that one there up then. Oi. Yeah, pick that one there up and put that one on that one.
No, you're being silly.